Proguard by American Standard is a revolutionary technology that prevents water stains. Conventional toilets without Proguard leave trickles of water on the ceramic surface. Toilets with Proguard allow water to glide off effortlessly. Conventional toilets without Proguard make it easy for silica, which is found in water, to be attracted to ceramic surfaces. This silica can bond with the ceramic surface, causing the surface to become jagged over time. This jagged surface makes it easy to accumulate silica and dirt, forming water stains. Over time, these stains become harder to remove. When Proguard, a revolutionary technology, is applied to ceramic surfaces, it prevents the silica and dirt in the water from adhering. This prevents water stains. Proguard's slick finishing helps to preserve the cleanliness of ceramic surfaces. No scrubbing is required. Proguard by American Standard. The difference is revolutionary. American Standard, raising the standard.